Hey, hello and welcome to another video. Yeah, I'm putting my summer tires for winter storage. They're going in their winter beauty sleep. But before I put them into storage, I want to show you a product that I've used on my trim of my car that can also be used on tires. I had some quite nice results with it. One of the main benefits, of course, storing your tires at home is that you can change them yourself and you don't need to pay for any changing fees. You can do this yourself, save a lot of money. And I really like to use these tire dressings before I put them into storage, because they stay a long time in the shed or in a garage. And with this they have just a bit of extra protective layer on them. And also when you take them out in the next season, they just look fantastic. So let's see how this Black in the Flesh by Turtle Wax looks on this Michelin summer tire. Its main purpose, of course, is trim, plastics, polycarbonate on the outside of your car. But you can definitely also use it on tires, and it is indeed quite long lasting. So we have the bottle and we have an old rag. And what I like to do, here's the tire. You can see, yeah, although I cleaned it, it looks a bit faded. So what we're going to do now is put a few drops of the product. Let's say one here, one here, one here, 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 here. So yeah, it looks a bit like a milkshake. And then you get your towel and along the sidewalls, just in circular motions, start rubbing it in. And that really, I like to do this because it really revives the whole sidewall of my car, but also keeps it longer black. And yeah, it also gives a bit of protection while it is sitting there in storage. But of course the main purpose is that it looks nice. And that's basically, you go like this all around the tire. I also really like to push in here in these small cracks, because those are particular areas where it's hard to apply any product, but that's where actually the rubber of the tire needs it the most. And as you can see, it already starts to look very nice. It has a nice matte shine, and we'll let this dry. See, you can see the imprint of the Michelin very good here, Michelin Primacy. And that's what this does compared to this faded part. So your tires will look absolutely stunning, even though they're over 4 years old. I'll do all the other tires and I'll show you the final result. So, all tires done. Let's look at the final result. Once it dries, the Turtle Wax Black in the Flesh, it has a really nice matte finish. These tires were washed and the browning was removed, and now as you can see, there's a really nice matte shine over them. You can see the imprint very well. They look very beautiful, these summer tires, well protected. Also here and here. So yeah, very happy with the result. Very happy how my summer tires look. They'll go into storage now. I am happy with this Turtle Wax Black in the Flesh. I can highly recommend that you give it a try, especially if you want some good product for your trim on your car. And then know that you can also use this to revive your tires and make them look absolutely fantastic before you put them into storage. Let me know your routine. Do you do something like this when you store your summer tires in the winter? I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen.